YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or if it's a normal website. Either or, my affiliate link will be down below. You guys can check them out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We have an air purifier coming from Cobectal. We got 3 layers of defense, pre-filter, H13 true HEPA filter, activated carbon filter. So we got everything included. We got control and display, fan speed indicator, F0, F1, F2, F3. Here we go. Timer button, different cycles, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, all the way up to the 9th hour. And then the check filter indicator. And then that's how you do it. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to unbox. And now we're going to open it up. But yeah, definitely check them out. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's on Amazon, but you never know. There we go. So we got come in half pieces. Alright. Oh, this is not too bad. Or is it 2 of them? Confused. There we go. We got that locked up. Looks like 2 of them separate. I don't think you combined them. Is it a 2-pack? Oh yeah, this could fit in my room. Yeah, these are definitely nice size ones. Alright. We got the manual. And one quick install guide. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this. Here's about where all the goodies are at. Here's filter. Here's the display. So yeah, you get a 2-pack. Alright. Now we're talking. And that's what it comes with. Take that out. And then get the power cord. And that's how that is. You can see the fan. All that. Take this. Oh, come on. Let's make it easy for me. There we go. Now we're locked in. You can see the grooves. It's kind of hard to do a couple things at once. Now we are closed. And then there's open. And then you plug it in. Where do we plug her in? Oh, right there. So you take this. Should be easy for you guys to do. Be a nice little either housewarming gift, birthday gifts, you know, small gifts. Help them to breathe. Clean up the air in your home, condo, college dorm. This would be perfect for your small business, your office. You name it. This does it all. We'll get this one going at first. I'll go through the cycles. Dang. Got the cord tangled. Oh boy. Hold it up. Wait a minute. Oh. There we go. Oh yeah, this is a long cord. Put you right there. Plug you in. Alright. see, ooh. Got power here. F1. F2. Ooh, I can feel it. Nice little cool breeze. And a little F3. Whoa. Look at that, spinning running. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, full blast. F4. Oh no, F0. 1. So this is 1. And you can see it's not moving. Number 2. It's almost lifted. But we hit him with the F3. It should get going. Uh-oh, maybe I got caught up. Here we go. Whoa, right off the table. This is a nice one though. I mean, F3 is not too loud. You can still have it on your... during nighttime if you sleep. 1 hour. 2. 3. There we go. And 99% is a filter. That's where we want it. You can set it to 9th hour, 0, all the way up to 9. So there you have it. And the second one, same thing. And look at that, we got both of them going. Same thing, F1, F3. There we go. And we got 2 of them cooking. Got this off the floor. Same thing. Ooh. Oh, that was not good. There we go. F1 test. F2. Okay, I had some little spinach. F3 is the big one. There you go, it gets lifted. See that? And that's a goner. Alright, we're good to go? I think so. So YouTubers, check them out. Like I said, if it's an Amazon, my affiliate link down below. And if it's a normal website, their link will be down below. Both are safe to click. I hope you guys have a good day. Be safe out there. Stay warm. And yeah, definitely check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer. But this is cool, a 2-pack. Not 2-pack. But air purifiers. Definitely could use them during the winter time, summertime. So this is cool. Something new. Alright, take it easy.